In this video, I'm going to digitize cross sections. Before I digitize cross sections, I need an alignment. This one's called County J. So I'm going to go to Corridors, Digitize Cross Sections. I have two options, Images or PDF. It's going to be here in my PDF folder. Pages 1 through 6. I can change the DPI if I want to. These are vectored images, so I'll be able to select lines in here. These are the 6 cross-section pages for County J, County Road J. So I want to select one of them and go Digitize Cross Sections. Here it's telling me to pick up 2 points to frame the cross section in. So I'm just trying to do one cross section, and if you can see that, it says 101.50, 102, 102.50. So they're going up by 50 feet. So I'm going to try to pick one that's a little higher and a little outside the right of way. Maybe I'll do 810, negative 40 to 40 at 790. And so this box is just so I can encompass all my line work inside of it. And then I go to Digitize Cross Section. I'm on the existing layer. If I wanted to create a new layer, I would just hit this button. I've got some predefined ones in here. So I'll do the existing first. And I'm starting at 810. That's what it says. If I change this box, it changes this box. See it? So you can immediately tell that that's not right. So this is the most important box in here. You want to make sure that everything that you have in this box is true. So 810, bottom is 790, left is negative 40, right is 40. The station is 101.50, and they increment up by 50 feet. So as I draw these, they're going to go on these respective layers. So let's do the publish settings. This is where I said we have to have an alignment, and you want to make sure your units are right. So the digitized layer is existing. The program layer is existing cross sections. So I predefined these in my layer manager to accept these lines that we're going to digitize. So let's do it. There are some usage tips in here for this operation, so you guys can read those. Show vector data. Okay, so if I wanted to just pick this, pick it here, pick it there, pick it there, do my existing ground, I could do that. But since this is a vectored image, all I have to do is turn that one on and hover over the line. Now, it didn't quite get outside of my box here. This blue line basically means that it's going to auto pan, just like a digitizer. So I can just flip to the next one and grab the finish. I can flip to the subgrade and draw that in, because when I grab this, it grabs some of that ditch and I don't really want it. So I'll just turn that off, and I can zoom in and pick here and pick there, and it draws a line. Pick there, pick there, pick there. So once I have my 3 layers that I need, you can see the little thumbnail view they got in there. Just hit finish cross section, and it pops me out to this in case I wanted to go and skip to a different page. In this case, I don't. I just want to go back to the same page. I want to zoom in. I want to grab something up and outside of my lines that I need. 810 to 40. It's the same as the last one, and there is a trick to that. I'll have to. This one right here. Shift click on top left point of a grid to create a new frame with the exact dimensions. Okay, so if you're going to pick something that you can use universally. So I'll digitize that. 810, 790, -40, 40, right to existing. Put back on my vectors. Pick that one. Those two must not be connected, but they will be. Here's that. Here's the finish. And subgrade. Take off my checks. And this is how easy it is. Now you got, if you have a lot, then you have a lot. I just want to check my station, 102, 102, that's it. So finish cross section. Do this next one. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Let's do the shift click on 810 and -40. And it pops that box right in there. Hit digitize cross section, existing. Put my little vectors back on. Pick that one and that one. Go to the finish. Pick that one. And that one. And subgrade. Take that off. Zoom in. Boom. And that's how easy digitize cross section is. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to save that. And it's drawing them in and it's doing the 3D at the same time as we're doing it. So look at this other one that I have. All done. And in this, you can see that at every station, it's done exactly what I wanted it to.